Hi guys, my name's Katie if you're new here, and today I'm doing an Adoreme swim try-on haul. I got 6 swimsuits, but I only have 5 right here because one of them was out of stock, but they sent me like a code to exchange it. So by the time I'm done editing this video, I'll put it in, but if not, I'll just tell you about it. But we'll just go ahead and get started. The first one I got is this old-timey bra style. Like the gingham bra style. It is black and white. It kind of looks blue on camera, but it's definitely black and white. And I think it's gonna be cute. And it got high-waisted bottoms. With Adoreme's swim, all the swim pretty much has high-waisted or short-waisted, low-waisted bottoms like to choose from. Like I'm excited that it'll be really cute. So this next one is hard to show without it on. Good thing I'm trying these on. Is this pink mauve color. It's not super bright pink, and it crisscrosses like that, and then it also has some like extra details, like extra little cutouts in the back. And these are the bottoms for it, which I think are so freaking cute. Literally, okay. So all their low-waisted bottoms I've noticed have like this V cut, which is so flattering. I'm really hoping they all fit because I have not tried these on yet. Super cute like that, and then it has these little slits, which I think will just be like a little something extra, you know what I mean, a little jazzing it up. Next, I don't necessarily normally gravitate, I don't think a lot of girls do, to like the straight across, because it's like, I don't know, I don't normally like think about going straight across just because it's like not super flattering all the time. But this one I thought was really cute because the pattern, it was something different that I don't own. And I liked the detail of the triangles being like this instead of just like a straight like clasp right there. And then I got the low-waisted bottoms for that look like this. Super cute. Then next, I am very excited about this. This is the only one piece that I got. I definitely debated a lot of them. But it is this one shoulder one piece, which I'm gonna have to like do this kind of thing. It's white, obviously. I think it came in black too, but I wanted a white one. And it's got like a whole separate like bra thing. So it's got like this whole cutout right here. I'm excited to try this one on too to show you guys. Yeah, that one's just so cute. And then lastly, for like this part of the haul or whatever, is this one. And I got this in blue, and it's like basically like a racerback kind of in the back. I thought this was very like beachy, like Hawaiian vibes. Not that I'm ever going there this summer, but I thought this was really cute. It's just blue and white. And then I got the high-waisted bottoms for that, but the one that's on the way is that in red with the low-waisted bottoms. So I'm very excited about the red one. I got mostly blue stuff because I know that like it looks very good with my skin tone and my eye color and hair color or whatever. But yeah, now let's try them on. Okay guys, I'll be honest, this is one of the, like I put this on and I can't even describe how comfortable it is. I'm actually blown away right now. First of all, this is obviously very cute, doing a lot for me up here. I would not recommend bending down for me personally because it's kind of like a lower cut on the boob, but look at this. This is literally so cute. And I thought that these were gonna be like annoying to me, like how thick they are, because I'm used to like higher waisted, but like this is not here. I'm gonna do like a 360, a fast one. Well, no, it's fine. See, it's got more full coverage. Also look at the back too, so cute. I'm actually blown away. This is this was my like risky one. This is so freaking cute. You could do photo shoots in it. Like, oh, I'm literally speechless right now. This is crazy. Literally insane. I could probably go up a size on this, but I'm not going to. Yeah guys, this is so comfortable. I could lounge in this. This is like, it's like not compressing, but it's definitely not doing nothing for me. You know what I mean? Like 10 out of 10. This is amazing. Okay, swimsuit number 2. This is pretty cute. I'm not used to the whole crisscross thing, and sometimes, you know how you have crisscross tops and they feel like you're choking you? My cat. Do you want out? Yeah, he wants out. Anyways, you know how like sometimes they choke you? This one, look at the back. So it like is made to be crisscross, right? So in the back it goes straight down. I do not feel choked at all. This might be a lot for some people. My mom probably would not approve of this, but and I like the cute little cutout here. The bottoms are like kind of cheeky. I will turn around for you. They're not that cheeky though. They're not that cheeky. But yeah, this is cute. This is kind of fun. Like if I was with my friends, I'd wear this. Okay, I really enjoyed this one. This one's just like fun. It does have removable cups, and yeah, these little details I think make it more flattering than it just being straight across. It gives you something. Basically same bottoms. I like these bottoms. I cannot like okay, so I've never ordered from adoreme, guys, and I know they like gave me these swimsuits, but I'm serious right now. I don't know if I've just bought like really bad swimsuits in the past, but these are really comfortable. I don't feel like they're about to fall off of me. Like I just don't. When like a lot of swimsuits I do. I feel very secure. These ones are more cheeky though, in my opinion. Yeah, they definitely are. Yeah, they definitely are, but I'm feeling so comfortable in these. Like yes. And this top, I'm feeling very secure in it, so like if I'm like playing with kids or whatever, I would not feel like uncomfortable in this top. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. It definitely is like a bikini, but not, because you can tell how like this is a little more sheer compared to like here or here, but the overall idea of it is really cute. I didn't expect it to be so like full coverage right here, but I'm not mad. Like this is what the back looks like. All the swimsuits, even this like one piece, has the little clasp, so they're like more adjustable. But overall, you could totally wear this as a top with like high-waisted bottoms. This would be such a cute top, guys. Catch me in this. But yeah, I didn't expect it to have so much coverage, but yes, that's me. I feel like it holds the tummy in good because it's thicker right there. I like this. This is so. I am so impressed right now, especially with like I picked these out in one day. One thing, I have a little under happening. Maybe that's my fault. I just fixed it. So I'd have to wear this out to really be able to give you guys like a good review, but it's really cute. Okay, so this is the last one. I really like the pattern on this one. One thing for me though is these bottoms are a little, you can barely tell, but they are a little big, but they're high-waisted, so I'm not like afraid of them, you know? This pattern is so cute. I knew it would be. This is a very flattering top. As you can see, it's like giving me a lot. That's one thing. I mean, I guess they're like more like a bra lingerie brand, but these are all very flattering for the boobs, for real. Got this cute little cutout here, which I love. And yeah, these are the bottoms. A little more cheeky, and then like this is the bottom of the top, razor backy, you know. But overall, I love. Like this to be cute for a photo, like, you know. Yes. Okay, and that is all, guys. And like I said, I also got this one in red, with the low-waisted bottoms. So like the edges were this little stripe down here. But I don't have them right now, so like I said, if they show up in the next couple of days, I'll show you, but I just don't know if they will. I hope you guys enjoyed today's try-on haul from adoreme. Thank you, adoreme. I will put my link down below, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.